Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. So a few weeks ago I did a blog covering hands-on with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 from the Samsung Experience Store in Westfield. The phone has finally arrived, yay! And it took a while because this one is customized, so we had to wait 5 weeks for it to come. But finally it's here, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and, if time permits, some of the key features that I really like. Hope you enjoy the blog. Please do like, comment and subscribe. So let's start to unbox. I had opened it and had a quick play with it, so just so I can set it up to show it, to film it. And in my previous blog I had quite a few questions about the price of this phone. So this phone cost $2,000 and in the UK it cost £1,800. So the box is quite heavy, so I wonder how heavy the phone's going to be. Okay, wow, look at that. So the box itself is really pretty. Can you see the Z cut out here? It's very nice. And then, I'm not sure if you can see, but in black it's got the name of the phone and model number. Okay, so going back to the box, it's a very pretty box. Oh, it opens also like the fold itself. Wow. And here, what do we have here? A box. Probably instruction. Okay, this is the Galaxy Z Premier Service details. So it basically gives you a phone number. It's a Galaxy Z concierge service, 24-hour. It's a premier service that's only offered to the Z Fold owners by Samsung. What else is there? Your Galaxy foldable device comes with a specialized customer care service designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. Sounds nice. And it has 1 year Samsung screen protection. So it offers, what does it say? This offer is for one screen repair within 12 months of your purchase with a cost of £119 or €130. I see, so that's good. So here's the beautiful phone itself. Got quite a bit of instruction on the screen. Do not press the screen or the front camera lens. Okay, so it's obviously very sensitive. And then you have, when folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as cards, coins, keys. Okay, that's understandable. This device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquid small particles such as water, coffee or sand may cause product damage. Oh no, so you have to be extra careful with this. It's recommended that you do not remove the screen protector. Okay, that's understandable. Your device contains a magnet. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets, such as credit cards and implantable medical device. Oh dear, so if you're using a pacemaker, this device is not going to be good for you. Okay, so it says if you have a medical implant, please consult your physician before use. Okay, so those of you who may have a pacemaker or some sort of medical device in you, please make sure you consult your physician before bringing this device close to you. This is a really nice phone. Beautiful color. 3 cameras at the back. And then you have a lens at the front. You have another camera here. Okay, let's open this up. So here's the SIM card slot, speaker on top, and we have the power button, volume button, also the fingerprint scanner for security. The color is just amazing. I love this color. It's not very thick, it's quite thin, but I guess when you fold it, look at that. Still not very thick when you fold it. I would say a reasonable size. And then obviously you've got the customized hinge, which is a very, very beautiful, vibrant metallic blue. So the fifth camera is here. So total there's 5 cameras on this phone, and the photo quality is amazing. I'll show all that later, maybe if time permits, or if not on another blog. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box before we look at the phone. So just information about the Z Fold. So we have a charger, cable, nothing in there, and some earphone. Quite nice. Okay, and that's it. I love this box. It's very pretty. Very nice. Camera is really, really good. Very good quality. Just to show you how sharp and focused and clear this camera is. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. I think it's really good for YouTubers. If you're a blogger, this is like perfect phone. Look at that. It's beautiful. And if we take a picture, zoom in. Look how clear and focused. You can even see the actual glaze, the shine. Very pretty. And if we fold it, so when you fold it, your camera's pointing at over there, your product, and you can see it here, all your control panels here. And if you take a picture, you'll see your picture shows up there, and it's like a mini laptop as well. I'll show in another blog the features, how to work, and when you're working on it, how you can have different packages in different areas, and you can multitask using different packages as well. It's really, really good. I wanted to show you how good it is for YouTubers. So basically, if you're you're a YouTuber and you've got videos to watch and comment. You've got the screen here, you're watching, and then here you have the comments and everything. You can just go down, and then you've got obviously other option. You can watch, read comments people have left, and reply at the same time, which is great. And then when you open it up, you've got the features of the videos and comments on the side as well, and you can also make it full screen and have a much bigger view. Looks good, really good. So when you fold it, your YouTube, all the features will come here at the front. So this is used as a single phone in this position, or you can open it up and use it as a tablet. So then here again, you can just watch and look at comments and obviously options of other videos, and you can also reply. So it's really good. I mean, you can multitask and do everything. You can have it like that, and zoom in, zoom out. Lots of nice features. And the other feature is, if you're busy doing things, you could just leave it like this, tent mode, and just watch and go on with your work, whatever you're doing, and leave YouTube running as well, or maybe songs, whatever you enjoy while you're working. So a lot of us use our phone for video editing, and I use the app KineMaster for video editing, which I'm sure a lot of you use. Just want to quickly show how nice it is to use KineMaster on this phone. I mean, look at the screen. You have a big screen there, and then you can edit very easily. It's so nice. I found it really, really useful, whereas my other phone, the screen obviously is much smaller and it's difficult. I mean, you have a lot more space, and it's much more nicer to the eyes as well to edit. Obviously I don't have enough time. Maybe in another blog I can show more in details about the features that is good for YouTubers and may benefit from it. I'm bringing in Galaxy Note 10 Plus here just to show the difference and compare it with the Z Fold 2 with KineMaster and editing. You can see here you have a lot less space, even though it's a big phone, for your timelines and your screen and editing facilities. With this one, Z Fold 2, you have much more space for your timelines, obviously much bigger screen, and your control panel. So overall you can see it's a huge difference. One of the good features is you can use multi-apps at the same time. So you've got the internet here, you can browse at the same time. You can also watch YouTube and, you know, have another feature as well. I've got the calculator out, so it's really good. I don't have enough time, but what I will do is on another blog show how it really works. It's really nice because when you can use it like a mini laptop really, and then you still have all the multi-apps going, and you know, you're doing your other things as well. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do look out for my future blogs. Thank you so much, and please do like, comment and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.